Get ready for a cosmic event unlike anything we've ever seen. Betelgeuse, the massive red supergiant, is sending out mysterious and terrifying signals across the cosmos. Astronomers observing this giant through the powerful lens of the James Webb Space Telescope have uncovered profound new details. Now, even physicist Brian Cox is sounding the alarm. The big question is, are we on the verge of witnessing a supernova so enormous it could permanently reshape our night sky? In the vast theater of the universe, stars are born, live their lives, and ultimately die in spectacular ways. Recently, one particular star has captured the attention of astronomers and stargazers alike. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant located in the constellation Orion. Known for its sheer size and strange behavior, it has fascinated scientists for generations. But recent developments suggest we may be witnessing something extraordinary, perhaps even catastrophic. Just how big is Betelgeuse? To understand what makes Betelgeuse so remarkable, consider this. It's about 900 times larger than our Sun. If Betelgeuse replaced the Sun at the center of our solar system, its surface would stretch beyond the orbit of Mars, engulfing Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars in the process. Its staggering size reflects its current life stage. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a phase that occurs near the end of a massive star's life. Estimated to be around 8 to 8.5 million years old, Betelgeuse has been evolving for millions of years, burning through its hydrogen, then helium, and now nearing the final, dramatic chapters of its stellar existence. A star that changes before our eyes. Betelgeuse's red hue isn't just a visual spectacle, it tells us something critical. The red color indicates a cooler surface compared to hotter stars like our Sun. While the Sun has a surface temperature of around 5,500 Kelvin, Betelgeuse's surface temperature is estimated at just 3,500 Kelvin, making it glow in the red part of the spectrum. Interestingly, historical records show that Betelgeuse's color has changed over time. Ancient Roman and Chinese texts describe the star as yellow. By the 9th century, Arab astronomers documented its reddish appearance. This transition offers clues about the star's evolution through human history. Even more fascinating is Betelgeuse's unpredictable brightness. It's a variable star, meaning it regularly brightens and dims, but Betelgeuse behaves differently than most. Its brightness cycles every 400 days with an additional, longer 5-year cycle. These fluctuations were noted as early as 1836 by Sir John Herschel, and some Aboriginal oral traditions may date back even further. But what makes Betelgeuse truly mysterious is how irregular those variations have become. The Great Dimming, a sign of what's to come. In late 2019, Betelgeuse dimmed in a dramatic and unprecedented way, an event now known as the Great Dimming. As one of the brightest stars in the night sky, its fading was immediately noticeable to both astronomers and casual observers. By February 2020, Betelgeuse had dimmed so much that it was barely visible to the naked eye in some areas. This event raised serious questions. Was it a normal phase in the life of a red supergiant, or a sign that Betelgeuse was preparing to go supernova? One complication in observing Betelgeuse is the time delay in its light. Because it's located around 654 light-years away, we see Betelgeuse as it was 654 years ago. That means any sudden changes we witness today actually occurred in the 14th century, making it incredibly difficult to monitor real-time developments. Clues from the James Webb and Hubble telescopes. Andrea Dupree, deputy director at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, and her team conducted a 3-year study of Betelgeuse's outer atmosphere using the Hubble Space Telescope. Thanks to Hubble's sensitivity to ultraviolet light, they observed dramatic changes in the star's outer layers. They found that material was being ejected from Betelgeuse's surface at a staggering 200,000 miles per hour, forming a dust cloud that dimmed the star's light for months. This event, which involved the release of a massive amount of stellar material, particularly from the star's southern hemisphere, was far beyond what astronomers expected. The big question now: is this the beginning of Betelgeuse's collapse into a supernova? Some believe the mass ejection and dimming were isolated incidents. Others argue they might be early warning signs of an impending explosion. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, the explosion would be so bright it could outshine the full moon and even be visible in daylight for weeks. It would be a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic display. Could it happen in our lifetime? The truth is, astronomers don't know. Betelgeuse could explode tomorrow, or it might take another 100,000 years. What's certain is that the star is unstable, and the forces inside it are building towards something big. Right now, Betelgeuse serves as a cosmic laboratory, a chance to observe the death throes of a massive star in real time, or at least as close to real time as we can observe from Earth. So, are we about to witness a supernova that will transform our night sky forever? Only time and space will tell. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the mysteries of Betelgeuse and the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a discovery from Waves Discovery. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.